Prince Harry has failed in his attempt to bring a second High Court challenge against the Home Office. The Duke of Sussex has been attempting to force a U-turn on the cancellation of his security arrangements when he visits the UK. Harry currently has to fork out the cost to protect himself, wife Meghan Markle and their children Archie and Lilibet when they come to the country from their LA home. The Home Office, which covers policing, immigration and security, decided in February 2020 that the Prince would cease receiving personal police security while in Britain, even if he were to cover the cost himself. The High Court has today ruled that he can't seek a judicial review into whether or not he is required to cover the costs of specialist police officers himself. Last year, the High Court agreed he should be allowed to challenge an original decision to end the protection, but today ruled he could not also seek a judicial review over whether to let him pay for the specialist police officers himself. The Home Office, opposing Harry's claim, said Rivek considered it was not appropriate for wealthy people to buy protective security, which might include armed officers, when it had decided that the public interest does not warrant someone receiving such protection on a publicly funded basis. We previously reported before that the Duke has been informed that it is at the discretion of the Home Office whether or not security was deemed necessary during visits after the couple took a step back from being working royals. It means that Harry must give notice of any intended trips to British soil 28 days prior to arrival to allow his security requests to be assessed. Prince Harry was reportedly left furious with the government department, slamming the arrangements for his family's June 2021 visit to attend memorial events for this mother Diana. The Duke branded the process patchy, disjointed and inadequate before winning the initial judicial review against the Home Office in 2021. At the time, Harry's lawyers said that he was gravely concerned about his safety and security during future trips to the UK and that he feels he was left with no choice but to take legal action given the gravity of what is at stake for him and his family. They continued, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex have been subject to intense media scrutiny, hostile social media attention, and targeting by violent extremists due to, amongst other things, the Duke's 10 years of military service in the British Army, the Duchess of Sussex's race and their involvement in charitable and other social justice initiatives.